Hi, and thanks for watching. This is a unboxing for the Multi Pochette from Tina. So I've already kind of opened it. Comes wrapped like this. Doesn't smell too bad. The dust bag is pretty soft. It's the nice dark blue. And here it is. Let's see if we can. Everything looks good. This looks fairly bright red as far as the glazing goes. But I don't have my authentic with me. The only one I have is I have the authentic Speedy B. And that is not going to help us with glazing. So this is the bigger pouch. Everything looks pretty good. All of these are pretty lined up down the middle. These are lined up nicely. Zipper works nicely. It's just the inside pocket. And a date code of FL2169. I don't know if I can. There it is. And I'll see if there's any other. Here's the mini pochette. It's not so mini. Looks good. Everything's aligning up nicely. Again, with the glazing, that just looks kind of bright to me, but it could be just because it's newer. There's the chain and the little coin pouch. And I can't tell if it's just me, but it kind of looks crooked. Maybe not. Yeah, this seems kind of off-centered a little bit. And there's the little side. Seems kind of not centered. But again, that might just be me. There's the inside. It's not super crisp, but pretty good. Again, zipper's nice and smooth. Everything's lining up. There's nothing like, a half of something on there. It looks pretty good. And the inside of this. And this one I don't believe. Oh, it does have a date code, FL2169. Can't get that on there very good. That's pretty good. Okay, so let's see the chain. I'm interested to see what the chain looks like. And it's falling all the way down. The chain looks pretty good. It does say, I don't know if it'll focus on it. Come on. It won't focus. It says Louis Vuitton on there, which is, it's nice. It's on both of the little things that it says Louis Vuitton. And the part I'm most interested in, the strap. I ordered the green because I'm more of a dark color wearer. And this looks pretty darn good. Hardware looks nice. It's on both sides. Let's build this sucker. Well, so there's this part. And now I will